Hey AI enthusiasts, can you believe this is an AI-generated title screen animation that I created with just a simple prompt? Today, I'm excited to tell you that Runway ML has released its Gen 3 alpha model with improved fidelity, consistency, and motion. The feature that surprised me the most is the ability to add typography to video, which looks amazing. For example, I created this title screen animation of zapiwala with dynamic movement and a jungle setting. I also created a title screen animation of zapiwala with dynamic movement and a vibrant graffiti-covered wall. Similarly, I created this title animation featuring a crane shot of a dense jungle canopy at dawn with misty air. Sunbeams pierce through leaves, revealing zapiwala spelled by lush vegetation. If you want to learn how I achieved these results, what prompts I used, how I optimized my prompts to get these amazing results, then watch this video till the end. After watching, you'll be able to generate these types of results by yourself. If you're excited about what you've seen so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Your support helps me create more content like this. Now, I must tell you that the ability of Runway ML Gen 3 Alpha isn't limited to title animations. Let me take you on a quick journey through some mind-blowing videos I've created. We start with a time-lapse of life itself, a seed sprouting into a vibrant plant. Then we shrink down to see a miniature baby zebra prancing on a fingertip. Speaking of tiny, imagine several puppies standing on a single finger. Shifting gears, we encounter a surreal scene. A man with a TV for a head, standing in a glitch-filled room. From there, we soar to an aerial view of a majestic lighthouse perched on rocky cliffs. Back on the ground, we meet a young Swedish woman in a photography studio, her expression captivating. As night falls, we glide through a moonlit garden glowing with bioluminescent plants. The serenity breaks as a gnarled tree monster lumbers down city streets. We then find ourselves at a vibrant fashion show, models strutting down the catwalk. Our journey continues in a sun-drenched kitchen, vegetables arcing through the air. We end with a POV shot of a beautiful Tokyo street, bustling with life. From microscopic to panoramic, reality to fantasy, Gen 3 Alpha opens up a world of visual storytelling possibilities. You must be curious about the prompts used to generate these videos. So without further ado, let's dive into the process of creating our jungle-themed title animation. I'll guide you through each step, making it easy for you to follow along. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to the Runway ML official website. This is where the magic begins. Once you're on the homepage, take a look at the left sidebar. You'll see various options, but we're interested in one in particular. Click on Generate Videos to start our creative journey. Great, now you will reach this page. Don't be overwhelmed by the options. Scroll down the page until you spot the option to generate videos with text or image prompts. This is our gateway to creating mind-blowing videos. After clicking that option, you'll be taken to a new page. This is where we select our AI model. Look for the drop-down menu and choose the Gen 3 Alpha model. This cutting-edge model is what will bring our jungle title animation to life. Now comes the main part, providing the prompt to get amazing results. Runway ML has released an official prompt guide for creating amazing videos. Just click on this link to open the prompt guide. And this is the prompt guide, which has lots of information and guidance. But don't worry, I am here to provide you the crux of this guide. So let's quickly go through the essential points from Runway ML's prompt guide. These tips will help you create stunning AI-generated videos. Start with this base prompt structure. This is your foundation, helping the AI understand your scene and camera setup. For example, low-angle static shot. A woman in orange stands in a tropical rainforest. Overcast sky above. For dynamic scenes, specify camera movements. Think pans, tilts, or dolly shots. Experiment with angles too. They can dramatically change the mood of your scene. Lighting is crucial. Mentioning the lighting style in your prompt can set the perfect atmosphere. Be clear and detailed in your scene descriptions. The more specific you are, the better the AI can match your vision. Don't forget about your subjects. Include details about characters or key objects in the scene. Describe any motion or action. This brings your scene to life. Specify the overall look and feel. Words like vintage, futuristic, or dreamlike can guide the AI's style. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with advanced techniques as you get more comfortable. Remember, Perfecting your prompts takes practice. Now, you must be thinking that it is very tedious to create a good prompt which adheres to all the guidelines provided in the prompt guide. But don't worry, as I am here to give you a one-click solution. To simplify this process, I've provided a link in the description for a custom ChatGPT chatbot called Gen3 Prompter. To use it, start by clicking the link provided in the description to access the Gen3 Prompter. Once there, provide a simple scene description in the prompt box, such as a title screen revealing the word zapiwala with a jungle setting. With your description ready, click Send or hit Enter to submit it. The prompter will ask you this question. For now, just type No and hit Enter. Wait a moment as your tailored Gen3 Alpha prompt is generated. Now, copy this generated prompt and head over to Runway ML to paste it in. Finally, click the Generate button. It will take a few seconds and our video will be ready. Now, let's look at 10 more examples of scene descriptions and their corresponding prompts. For this graffiti-covered wall title screen animation, I used this scene description, which generated this prompt. And the result is this eye-catching video. Building on that urban vibe, I created another title animation using this prompt, showcasing the versatility of text-based designs. Shifting gears to nature, I crafted this time-lapse video. The scene description in Gen3 Prompter yielded this prompt, resulting in this mesmerizing footage. From grand landscapes to tiny wonders, this prompt brought adorable miniature puppies to life in this charming video. Staying with awe-inspiring scenes, this lighthouse video emerged from this carefully crafted prompt, capturing nature's majesty. Transitioning to portraiture, I used this prompt to create a close-up of a young Swedish woman in a photography studio, blending beauty with personality. For a touch of fantasy, this prompt conjured a midnight garden filled with bioluminescent plants, resulting in this ethereal video. Returning to the world of glamour, this vibrant fashion show video sprang from this dynamic prompt. In a playful twist, this prompt generated a slow-motion shot of flying vegetables, adding a dash of fun to food videography. Finally, we traveled to Japan with this prompt, which captured the essence of a beautiful Tokyo street on a sunny day. Each example showcases the power of well-crafted prompts in creating diverse and stunning videos with Gen3 Alpha. Prompts for all the videos have been provided in the video description. Please copy the prompts and try creating amazing videos using Runway ML Gen3 Alpha. That's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button to support me and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.